Alright guys, so today we're going to be working on my brake light switch, which is this little piece right here. We're going to take it apart. We're going to try to clean it out first, see if that does anything. If it doesn't, then we're going to replace this cable in the little activator there. I'll show you the cable. So this is the new switch. All right. It comes with this part. And I don't know how any of this works yet. So once I open it up, we're gonna figure it out. So let's get some tools and let's get to work. Alright, so we got the brake light working. We didn't have to replace the switch. All I did was clean out the connector. Took a little piece of sandpaper and I cleaned off these connectors here. It's full of gunk and stuff. And the brake light works now. So I'm gonna give it another attempt to get this thing inspected before Laconia Bike Week. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it up there this year because next weekend is it's going on right now, and I can only go on the weekend, and it's supposed to rain Thursday and Friday, and hopefully it doesn't rain on the weekend. And I gotta clean this thing off. It's dirty. But wish me luck.